What's up, guys? Keith Trade. Today is September 30th, and happy Monday. Today was a one-for-one day, a very quick scalp. I'm gonna go over that nice scalp, and that's pretty much all she wrote. Right? There was a PM session A plus setup, but we did not trade the PM as the Fed spoke at 10:55. My rules are to stay off, so we stayed off. Testimonials for the day, pretty light. We had a $400 profit, a $685. 130, and then you got Caesar messing around here. That's $12 profit. But into the trading plan, where I wanted to see the longs form to run those stacked highs, we ended up not getting much of a low resistance run. My short plan worked out. I'd said I'd like to see the market work its way higher, sweep buy side, and look for this shift lower to pre-market low, and then these targets. All of these targets were met. Our trade did not hit the pre-market low. I wanted it, but Renner just never came and ended up manipulating higher, then running back down. Totally fine. Right, coming into our points of interest, on the daily time frame, I noted that we swept that low, so I was looking for that high to get hunted. Never happened. Totally fine. And my targets were just these stacked highs here. Equal highs here. Equal highs here. These are my long targets. And then my short was this pre-market low. That is at 2119 point. Was my full PT. And then you obviously have, lows here. Coming on the 1 hour. Pretty much nothing. But again, right, I was looking for the pre-market low as my hunt for the day for sell side. And then I wanted a buy side sweep, which we ended up having off the open. So coming into the session open, right, we got that buy side sweep. And then we shift to market structure, shift lower. Right, my hunt was the low. I wanted to get in a lot earlier, but I just never saw a clear setup, a clear entry. Right, playing through this 5-minute bullish. And I was still looking long because of the market outlook. Right, I wanted to see the equal highs. I wanted to see the resistance run higher. But we never got that. So once we ended up inversing, I was looking at these equal lows as my target here. 1, 2. My equal lows to do what? Fill this unfilled 5-minute imbalance. I didn't end up scaling here. I left my runner for the full hit. But coming into that trade, it was just a simple scalp. Right? We ended up displacing very aggressive. We left a triple equal low. So I was totally fine in giving it a scalp trade at the 69 point. I just put my stop above the wick high here. And then we got tapped in and it just delivered instantly. Pretty quick, that's my short entry, guys. Very sniper entry because we left those triple equal lows and reversed. I knew likely there's a higher probability of running this low. Ended up being about a 22-point play. Ran for over 40. But I held my runner stop and profit. I got out right here. I was looking for the respect of the 1 minute. Look for that continuation. Never happened, right? Again, not an A plus setup. But we had the inverse. We had the triple equal lows. We had the clear sell model. I was comfortable getting short, looking for that. Unfortunately, right, we ended up running higher, chopping around a bit, and then getting that sell model. There was an inverse entry here and a fair value entry here that could have caught that move down. But unfortunately, I didn't trade. 10:55. That's that Powell news talk candle, and then we're not looking to trade that. I did catch a little 20-point trade here, but that's about it, guys. Just one trade for live. We caught our win. That's all we need, and we'll come back tomorrow. We're just focusing on one trade a day. That's very beautiful stuff. A nice trade, no drawdown, and that is my NQ scalp for the day. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to join the Discord, there's a link in the bio. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.